Mastering Everyday English. Cue here, Decoded. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cue here, a common instruction you might encounter in everyday life in English-speaking countries. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it correctly. First off, what is a queue? A queue refers to a line of people waiting for their turn. It could be at a supermarket, a bus stop, or even at an event. The key point here is that it's an ordered line where everyone waits patiently for their turn. When you see the word here next to queue, it's a location indicator. It means that the starting point of the queue is at that specific spot. The sign, queue here, is telling you exactly where to begin standing in line. Following instructions to queue here is about respecting the order and fairness in public places. By queuing where indicated, you're ensuring that services are received in a timely and organized manner, and everyone's time is valued. In many English-speaking countries, queuing is a serious business. It's seen as a sign of good manners and civility. Ignoring a queue here sign might not only confuse others but also be considered rude. It's a simple phrase that carries a lot of weight in daily interactions. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion around the phrase, queue here. Remember, it's more than just about standing in line. It's about community, order, and respect. Stay tuned for more insights into English phrases and their uses. Happy learning!